It's got the wrong cover for this thing. I have a cover. I just changed the toilet. I just changed the toilet. I got a cover that might fit that. I'll measure it. That's a Mansfield. Gasket looks okay. The gasket's got a spin. That might be a problem. The thing's not filling. The fill valve's not filling. You see, I just had to push it down. It was sticking. I have to put a new fill valve on the thing. The gasket's spinning. Yeah, we gotta put a new fill valve on it. Now, I'll measure this tank. I have another cover at home that might work. Let me get a fill valve for it. Why would you wear gloves? I'll never figure it out. I don't figure out why somebody would wear gloves. Don't. Beyond me. It's beyond me why somebody would wear gloves. I can't figure it out. Nope. Just can't figure it out. Change that fill valve, so let's just take that supply right out of there and put a new one in. And put a new supply in here. I have another cover at home that might fit this. I took it off a different. It didn't come off a Mansfield, but it come off I think an American Standard, which is kind of the same shape. It might be the same. Be worth a shot, I think. Be able to hold down on this valve while I loosen it. Take that nut off and I can bring my container up there to catch the water. Look at the tile floor here, it's not that big of a deal, but you're weaker. Put a new fill valve in there and let it rip, pay the chip. Gasket on there and ain't rocket science, Mama. Yeah, when I came here, the fill valve wasn't filling. I had to kind of give it a little, gotta kind of move it to get it to work again, so it's sticking. We'll put a new one. These things start acting up, it's not worth trying to play with them. I just put a new one in there. That's how it is. Don't play around with it. My gloves are kind of falling apart here. My gloves are gone to the dogs here. I buy the cheap ones. They rip, I just replace it. I mean, I just try to keep my hands as clean as possible. If it was something that was really dirty, I would get another pair. But it's not so bad. I can clean my hands when I get in the truck. Alright, we'll turn it on and we'll see. Turn it all the way and turn it back just a little bit. That's how you want to do it. Right where I need to be, right there is perfect. Put the fill tube inside. There's a flusher. Yeah, the cover I have should fit that. I'll have to next time I come, I'll bring that cover, see if it fits.